dope up in the trap house. We fuck all you bitches at the trap house. I can't trust you, I can't give you real address. I can't trust you, I can't give you real address. It don't mean that be like Jerry Stacker. I might fall in love with my trap house.
What's going on, guys? Vlog numero uno today. I'm not gonna bore you with too much. We do have a shit ton of stuff to do today, but I am gonna eat breakfast really quick. This is kind of like what I eat before the gym. I also eat some cream of rice, but we're gonna go to the gym right now. We're gonna be filming with the girl, so stay tuned for that. She's pretty cute, but we also are doing a video for Joe Wakes with BSN later today. So we got quite a bit of content for this vlog, so that's why I'm starting it today. We do have some other stuff later that I'm gonna be talking about, but I'm just gonna eat this and we're gonna go to the gym. You guys are probably wondering, wow, this guy eats really healthy. I normally eat like shit. I am definitely just 100 days out from my first physique competition, so I'm on a meal plan. This is what I have to eat every single day for the next 100 days. And then after that, I'm going ham, in and out, steaks, whatever it is. We're gonna have fun. So this isn't a condom. This is KT tape wrapped around my thumb that I cut really bad from shattering a mirror. Well, I had this really big flap of skin that just bled all over, and I've just been wrapping KT tape around it because I'm lazy and I don't have Band-Aids.
I've been in the car.
This next part of the vlog is brought to you by Bang. Use code BANGYOURMOM for 10% off. In the Wonder Woman shaker today, we have about 0.75 scoops of Nitroflex and 0.75 scoops of Outlift, making it 1.5 scoops pre-workout. I'm pretty tolerant to this shit, so caffeine doesn't do much to me anymore. But we also had a Bang too. That wasn't even mine, that was Zach's. We just wanted to put that little skit in there. We are gonna go into the gym here in a few minutes. We're probably gonna go in at 11, so we got 8 minutes till then, and then we're gonna smack some shoulders and some arms. Is this distracting? I feel like this is very distracting. I'm sorry.
The condom's a little
distracting. I'm probably gonna do an edit and not really show too much of the workout because honestly, I feel like a lot of you don't really care, but if you guys do, and you want to see some more raw clips of the gym and how to work out, throw a comment. Let's go get it. Is it leg day? Fuck no.
Fuck no. Are you kidding me?
Is it ever leg day?
She do a dance when I'm gonna come around like money make a dance, she gon' pop it, pop it. You been a good girl, I wanna see you drop it, drop it. Lift it up, bring it down, I'm the plug, bring the pound. Got a band in my hand, I'ma pop it, pop it. Money make a dance, she gon' pop it, pop it. You been a good girl, I wanna see you drop it, drop it. Lift it up, bring it down, I'm the plug, bring the pound. Got a band in my hand, I'ma pop it, pop it. Like rounds of applause in the air. Rounds for the table, got a whole crew here. Rounds of applause while I cheer. She do a dance when I'm gonna come around like money make a dance, she gon' pop it, pop it. You been a good girl, I wanna see you drop it, drop it. Lift it up, bring it down, I'm the plug, bring the pound. Got a band in my hand, I'ma pop it, pop it.
Yeah, no, I'll definitely. Yeah, but it's fine. Especially if you're up here now. It's like an hour and a half. But especially if you guys are up here anyway, then that makes sense.
Peace.
Oh, we're just finishing up with some core before we go get some chicken. Chicken and rice meals for days, 100 days out. Get that shred, get that core. Your.
This man's a legit chiropractor.
Ah. Oh. There we go. All right. Post-workout, we're gonna get some chicken. My meal plan says 5 ounces of chicken and about, I think, 100 grams of, no, I think it's 100, I'm gonna have to look. I definitely can't get any teriyaki sauce because there's definitely a lot of sugar and stuff in that I can't necessarily have right now. So I'm just gonna get just plain chicken. Might throw in some veggies to replace the green beans or broccoli that my meal plan says, but just rice and maybe like a Diet Coke or something. Post gym, it's kind of what I like to drink. That's about it, yeah. So we're gonna go eat some right now, and then we're gonna head back to the condo. Once we're at the condo, we need to grab all our camera gear, the drone, the Ronin, everything, and we're gonna go film a video for Joe Wakes. I don't know if you guys know who that is. He's a pretty big fitness dude, but we're gonna go film a video for him because he just signed to BSN, which is probably like one of the biggest like fitness supplement companies in the world. So cool. Switch, transition. We're almost out of Teriyaki Madness. We're gonna go get some chicken, like I said. Let's do it.
Fark.
Ready? Oh. This morning it was tripping too.
Oh yeah. And was that this morning or last night?
That was last night shit.
Yeah.
Maybe now. Oh, there we go. And we're off.
Yeah.
Oh, we're back from getting juicy. It probably got way too dark.
Yeah, Matt Dark, turn up the ISO. Oh, now it's Matt Bright.
All right, now we're chilling. All right, so we just got back to the crib from the gym. It was a super cool workout. So we were working out with Ashley Moreno. Her Instagram is gonna be in the description. So basically, I probably am gonna post those edits. Any gym edit that I have with anybody or anything like that, it's gonna be on my Instagram probably way before the vlogs come out. So if you guys wanna see them ahead of time, go check out my Instagram, go check out Zach's Instagram, go check out Ashley's Instagram. They're all gonna be in the description. I do still need to drink a protein shake because technically that is actually my post-gym meal, but I kinda just flip-flop those, not a really big deal. We are gonna get ready though and go film with Joe Wakes right now. So I'm gonna shower really quick, change, do yada yada yada, and then we're gonna head out. Showered, all that jazz, changed. We are going to Muscletopia. I believe we are gonna meet Joe Wakes there. So he just signed to BSN, which is like a huge, huge company. And he hit me up and wanted me to film a little edit / announcement video for him with BSN. So that's super cool, a lot of exposure, really cool for him and me to film. So we're gonna go do that right now. So we're gonna head out and meet him there. Garage door. You're in the vlog, man.
I know.
Numero uno.
Joe
First
in the
vlog, baby. Finally, he's gonna show you guys behind the scenes how we make this fire. I don't know, just cause this is all BSN color, so that's why I wanted to do it. But, did you guys work out yet? Wow, that's what I was gonna hit today. I was gonna ask you guys to work out too. Oh, you did?
Yeah, she's bad.
Oh shit. I brought the protein, the bars, man, BSN, and a shaker. #1 brand in the world, man. We're filming for.
I know. I can't even touch.
I
Can
can
you
do
touch
this.
your toes?
Yeah, watch this shit for the vlog.
Okay, I meant like the normal touch.
Oh,
your
that's 272 in the air.
Oh, geez.
Man, I'm getting leaner. I'm 266 this morning, though.
Oh my goodness. Scenes of the BSN shoot? No.
Yes, sir. Did I say that it's the biggest company in the world yet?
You did.
Oh, okay.
All right, guys. So we are heading to Muscletopia right now. We just needed that one clip from Joe. Where do I turn?
In 1.1 miles on Osborne Road.
Okay, so like I said, we just needed that one clip from the apartment, from Joe's apartment. Really cool wall. Definitely posted a picture with that on Instagram not that long ago. But we are, yes, like I said, heading to Muscletopia, and we're gonna film some gym stuff, and we're kind of gonna mash it all together. So I'm gonna throw it all into this video at the end and show you guys the final product, a little behind the scenes of kind of like the videos that I do, and content that I create for other people. So I hope you guys like it, but we're gonna head to the gym right now.
You guys want to shop with the headphones? Literally only $50. The code will be right here. Watch that. Swipe up here to shop. Take a screenshot. Send it to me if you guys are going to do it because they freaking bump. Am I right? Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Oh, you didn't fucking tag my post Muscletopia in your video.
Yeah, it is.
No, you did not.
tagged
You tagging me. I don't give a fuck about tagging. I got about 4,000 tags. I don't want tags. I want you to location Muscletopia.
Alright, shit.
And you gotta say at the end of it, every video, bitches. If you're not coming to Muscletopia, you're gonna stay bitches.
Okay.
BSN, best decision you've ever made. BSN.
Steal the show.
No.
Are you talking about yours?
No.
It's steal the show.
Finish first.
Oh yeah. No, but the campaign is steal the show.
Okay, so BSN, you fucking stole the show. Now get to work.
If I eat, we all eat.
Yes.
It's one of you guys, BSN newest sponsored athlete here today, Joe Walks. Time to steal the show.
What it be to you and yours? Salutations to all. You can call me Cuddy or
Alright guys, you already know what it is. Another day at the office. No explode, baby. Let's go steal it.
you can see how it feels. And this the premiere of that new here. It's gonna take you beyond where reject can't live. But all you gon' hear is something crazy in fact. How I be burning the booth will get you looser than yak. Yep, you got it right. Now don't get left, get on your good foot. It's only right that you step to keep up until this shit unfamiliar. If your main line got time, then I be drilling her. I keep you in my realm, I keep you in the sound. I keep myself up high.
To the DJ May Ferris. All right, we got live 103.5 Power 92 Chicago. You got Tyga up next featuring Rihanna.
That's how they do on the radio. I'm just like, ride him out, boss. Alright guys, so this video is gonna be live soon. BSN Supplements times Joe Walks, times Jace, times Zach, and I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next clip. Ready?
Here, we'll make Ivan happy. Okay, go.
Yes.
Oh
That was lit. How did you...
I haven't done that shit in a minute.
270.
270.
This man is 270. And you just did that.
Hey, don't stop stretching, man.
I don't stretch shit.
What the
Hey, did
fuck?
that shit look lit though? Let me see. Titties. I think I should tell him it'll go live Sunday. Okay. It's a good day.
God's day.
I mean, it might get like 50,000 views.
I like to hear that.
It better.
Okay.
Best in business. Titties.
Okay. Fucking content monster.
Strippers.
Should we just go to Walmart right now? Get stuff? Are you down to go really quick?
Yeah, I don't care. A little Walmart.
Alright, well, we're
Edit.
going. Well, I'm not a big fan of Walmart, but that's what's really close to the condo. So we're gonna go to Walmart really quick. I do not fuck with Walmart. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a Target person, but there's no Target around. So I just go to Walmart. Walmart's got good deals, whatever. I don't care. Honestly, it's actually a pretty nice Walmart. It's not that ratchet. We're chilling. But I do need to get 93% ground turkey, some beef, red potatoes, like I said, hairspray, just some little stuff. Definitely need more almonds, and a few other things. So let's get it.
The road to being an influencer, no?
Can you freeze potatoes? Is that a thing? Yeah, because I wasted like $100 in fucking meat the other time. Not gonna lie. Takeaways, baby. That's all I need. Cookie when you're on a diet. You don't really spend that much money on food. I think max this lasts me 5 days. So. Alright guys, so we are back and I'm just gonna run down kind of everything that we got at the store. Nothing too crazy. Basically, I'm on prep. I'm 100 days out like I said, so I don't really want all these temptations and I can't really eat all this other food other than what my meal plan is, so actually saving a lot of money and basically kind of just got all the little things that are on my meal plan. It actually just switched to, so it's slowly decreasing in calories and slowly changing from like, let's say 3 whole eggs to 2 whole eggs plus egg white, so it's taking out that 1 yolk of fat, and that's kind of how it's going. And slowly and slowly and slowly, we're gonna kind of pull away from the fats and the calories and the carbs. But first thing, we just got some ground beef. I usually eat about 5 ounces of that a day, and then we also got some ground turkey. Again, 5 to 6 ounces. We got over here, we got some eggs. I didn't get too many just because I already have some in the fridge, and I also had to get some egg whites. So those are over here, I believe. So I just got some regular egg whites. Not too many as well, just because only one, that's only 3 tablespoons. So I think there's, how many? There are 20 egg whites in each of these. So this is technically supposed to last me, I think 40 days. So that's chill. And then over here, we got some bananas as well as some red potatoes. And I think this whole thing, all of this food is actually going to end up lasting me about five days, or the potatoes and the meats, roughly about 5 days-ish, let's say. If not, the meats are gonna go in the freezer anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I'm only gonna prep a few days at a time, because I learned from last week that if I cook all this food at once and put it in the fridge, it'll go to waste and you just waste a lot of money. So not doing that anymore. I'm only gonna prep a few days at a time. But I think that is going to be it for the vlog. We kind of ended it off kind of slow, so sorry about that. But we do have some cool news coming up, or I guess we have some cool events coming up. So Ryan Dangler and Ryan Casey are coming to Arizona August 6th. We're gonna be doing something with Joe Wakes as well, and then we're gonna be going to LA. So shit's gonna be lit. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, roll the outro.